Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team, and this is the Sony a7R Mark VI. Building on the success of its predecessors and packed full of tons of new features, let's see what it's all about. The a7R Mark VI is Sony's first camera to feature a newly developed stacked full-frame 66.8 megapixel Exmor RS CMOS sensor, offering you superior shooting performance and speed to that of its predecessor. That's not the only new thing to feature on this camera though, as we also have Sony's new Bionz XR2 image processor with an integrated AI processing unit, and amongst other things, a brand new battery which offers a 17% higher capacity compared to the MP FZ100 found in the a7R5. We also have a brand new charger to go with it, which offers faster charging and a battery health check to help you avoid any unexpected battery issues. The a7R6 delivers 16 stops of dynamic range for smoother tonal expression and optimized shadow noise reduction. The image stabilisation has also been upgraded, now offering you 8.5 stops in the center and 7 stops on the periphery compared to 8 stops on the Mark V. There's also improved auto white balance thanks to its AI deep learning to give you truer to life color reproduction, and this just means you can spend a lot less time in post-production. We've got advanced AI subject detection for things like birds, planes, trains, animals, insects, and more, along with Sony's human pose estimation. The precision and stability of this has actually been upgraded compared to the a7R5 to recognize smaller subjects and to stay tracked on them even in busy or complex scenes. And there's also an auto mode, which is super handy if, like me, you enjoy shooting a variety of subjects and sometimes forget to change your setting. We've got up to 30 frames per second high-speed continuous shooting, which is the same as that on the A1 Mark II, and a big increase from the 7 frames per second of the Mark V. It's blackout-free with optimal exposure and sharp, accurate focus. The readout speed has also been significantly improved over the a7R5, although it's not quite as fast as the A1 II. The a7R6 also features high-speed burst shooting, which is an awesome feature so that you don't fill your memory card up with loads of unwanted shots. Just means that you can shoot at kind of a slower frame rate, and then as soon as the action happens, turn on high-speed shooting and it will instantly go to the higher frame rate for you. It means that you'll definitely capture the moment without filling up loads and loads of memory. Now, this is something that I absolutely loved on the A9 III and the A7 V. So it's really good to see that this and pre-capture have both made it onto this camera. And all of those features mean that this camera would be the perfect choice for those of you looking to do wildlife or bird photography. And if you were looking for a lens that would pair really nicely with it, then how about Sony's new FE 100-400mm F4.5 GM OSS Lens. A beautiful, lightweight telephoto zoom designed for professionals and enthusiasts who don't want to compromise on image quality, AF performance, operability, and size. With its constant f4.5 aperture, floating focus, internal zoom, and the addition of Sony's new EDXA glass to suppress chromatic and spherical aberrations and reduce onion ring bokeh. One of the things I love most about the R series is that they really do deliver on resolution, and of course the a7R6 is no different. Packed full of a ton of composite RAW shooting options, just like the Pixel Shift multi-shooting, which will give you a super high resolution 265.8 megapixel image. This just makes this camera perfect for things like landscape photography, architecture photography, archival photography. And it doesn't stop there though, because although you might think this is just a stills camera, it has some very impressive video functions too. And speaking of video, we've got 8K 30, 422 10-bit internal recording, as well as 4K 60 and 4K 120, which are both oversampled from 5K. There's also Super 35mm mode for 4K 60 and 4K 120, along with a ton of full HD recording options too. There's a new dual gain function that minimizes noise without compromising shadow details for smoother gradation, upgrades to the image stabilisation for dynamic active mode, along with the addition of auto framing, a tally light and improved subject recognition. For those of you that like to use the internal microphone for your recording, you'll be pleased to know that the A7R6 features some new noise reduction options, great for reducing steady background noises like air conditioning, for clearer audio, and when paired with the new VX9581 XLR adapter, you'll be able to record 32-bit float audio. The body itself weighs 713 grams, and we have the familiar 4-axis multi-angled LCD monitor, which is perfect for composing your shots at all angles. There's all the ports you'd expect to see, 2 card slots, and also 2 USB-C ports to improve workflow, one of which is high speed, so you might want to use that for tethering and be plugged into charge with the other one. There are a few little tweaks that have been made to this camera that I absolutely love. We've got an improved grip shape, which just makes the camera a lot nicer to hold and use. We've got a brighter EVF compared to that on the Mark V, and also the addition of the illumination trigger button. Now this, when you press it, will just light up the icons on all of the buttons, which makes it a lot easier for you to know what you're doing and find your settings in low light conditions. Along with that, the lens mount has also got a little bump on it, so it's easier to find just through touch. And we've also got a raised auto icon on your top dial too. Now there is so much more that I can say about this camera, so stay tuned for a follow-up video. But in the meantime, if you'd like to find out any more information on the Sony a7R Mark VI or the new 100 to 400mm lens, then head on over to jessops.com now, or pop into your nearest store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. Hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, don't forget to give it a like, hit subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all our latest content. That's it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.